Kazakhstan will be able to earn nearly $5 billion in transit over the next 3 years. According to Kazakh Minister for Investments and Development Zhenis Kassambek, the volume of transit cargo transportations from China to Europe through the country's territory is doubling every year. Kazakhstan plans to increase the throughput capacity to 2 million containers per year. International cooperation is of great importance in realizing these goals. Thus, the recent opening of the Baku-Tbilisi-Kars railway transport corridor will provide an opportunity to transport overload cargo through Kazakhstan's territory to southern Europe.
Мы сами также готовились к началу работы этого коридора. Вы наверняка знаете, что мы последние годы построили.
We did prepare to start the work of this corridor. In recent years, we have built the new Zhezkaz-Ganbei railway from central Kazakhstan to western Kazakhstan with nearly 1,000-kilometer distance. Upon the completion of the section of the Trans-Caucasian Road, the Baku-Tbilisi-Kars will provide an opportunity for a serious flow of goods to Turkey and southern Europe through our corridors. We hope that the big Chinese transit will pass via this corridor to southern Europe and Turkey.
Транзит также пойдет в направлении Южной Европы, в направлении Турции по этому коридору.
Kazakhstan signed a railway agreement with Latvia, which has become another important stage in international cooperation. This document assumes not only the transit of goods from the Baltic countries via Kazakhstan, but also Latvia is going to use Kazakhstan's warehouses in Khargos. This railroad corridor is of importance for China to connect with Europe.
Был первый поезд с китайского города Иву, который прошел 14 дней. И обратно уже поезд, второй поезд, который...
The first train from the Chinese city Yiwu lasted 14 days. The train arrived from Duisport, Germany, to China. China is very interested in environmental products in Europe, which possess all the industrial technology. The first train carried the textile equipment from Duisport to Chengdu, so the corridor will be used.
Он с Дуйсбурга Чэнду отвез уже аппаратуру текстильного оборудования, так что коридор будет использован.
One of the large-scale projects in which Kazakhstan plans to take part is the Eurasia High-Speed Railway. The railroad will shorten the time from Beijing to Berlin, so it will be possible to reach Europe in 20 hours. At this moment, negotiations are underway with Russia and China, which can result in a decision that assumes part of the route will pass through Kazakhstan's territory.